So the S15 battery's gone flat and I had some trouble finding the correct one, but luckily it's super easy to find the right type of battery and it's even easier to change it out. So this is the correct battery that you want to get. It's an NS60S MF and I've chosen the S one because of the battery terminals I've got up here. You can get these terminals in like a bigger size, which is this sort of size here, or a mini one where they're really small, but the clamps that I've got in the car are quite big, so I went for this one here. And you want to make sure that the positive is on the left side when you're looking at it this way with the main sticker on the front. Positive is on the left, negative on the right, because you're going to flip that around the other way. This is just an emergency battery that I picked up from one of my other cars, so this is completely wrong, but you can see that I've just had to stretch the positive one out of its little holder here. So once the correct battery is in, everything should line up quite nicely. Specs here, cold cranking 430, which is way better than the 330 that was in there before. That needs to turn around. Very good. That goes there. That goes there. Beautiful. You can see the positive is on the right side there, and then that's on the left or close to the fender. And that's all good to test. Really, that's all there is to it. So just making sure you've got the correct battery, which is an NS60 MF, and then just spinning it around really so that the terminals are on the right side. So that's nice and easy. For more Silvia S15 Resto Mod videos, remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.